Monthsary Date Part 2, and this is how our day ended. So after sa fantasy world around 6 p.m., niadto mi sa among final destination, Vivace Art Cafe. Guys, around 600 pesos included na on drinks and art experience. So you need to choose your drink first. Ako coffee, siya matcha, kay hilig man siya. Then pagsulod na mo, grabe, namangha jud me. The place is so beautiful, super calm, aesthetic, and romantic kaayo. And honestly, after 3 years nga LDR kanang simple nga moment nga naglingkod lang me together, very meaningful kaayo. Then he told me, I told you mamawi ko diba? And I just smiled, kay nakita jud na ako nga genuine siya. Then we went to the art area and guys, I can't even explain it. You really have to see it yourself. Plus, naapa jud sila pa surprise na ay mini ocean park. So if you want to see the full experience, full video is already up. Watch it guys. Bye-bye!